Yes. Now, on YouTube at the Momo, everybody is going to KFC's and getting the slider box for $5. Great deal. But I'd had so many carbs that I thought, I just want protein. So, seeing the videos prompted me to come to KFC's Baringa, but I just got a boxo chickie. So how do I do this? So I got wicked wings and regular pieces. It's all just chicken, mate. See? Wings. Oh. So, oh. How do they make chicken taste this good, man? How do they do it? Oh, and when you come to this Baringa store, it's almost always fresh. Oh, fresh. Yeah, it's a good day. Yes! Here I am still at KFC's Baringa. I bought 3 wicked wings and 3 legs. Wow. Yeah. Fantastic, man. Oh my God. Oh yeah. I tell you, eat a wing. I said wing, I meant leg, okay? Good day. Yes. All right, I'm at McDonald's Baringa. Today, a creative massage viewer. I had one person massage one shoulder, another person massaging the other. That got me to thinking, double the fun? Maybe that translates across to the ice cream world. So, I got myself a strawberry sundae from McDonald's. Yeah. And a plain chocolate sundae from McDonald's. And I can't say I'm upset about it. Let me tell you, it's going down a treat. It's, you know, I don't know why, but with these videos, hold on, let me change hands with the cam. You've almost got to prove your claims that you're doing it to tell the story and have something for people to watch. So, yeah. Now, I love the chocolate sundae, but by gum, the strawberry with vanilla is darned good. Winning news.